Hey guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, I am crossing off a bunch of tasks that have been on my to-do list for a while. It took me a few days, but I was able to complete them all. This is super motivating, so if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.
I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars.
Let's get started. The first thing on my list is to get back in the swing of working out, being active, and refocusing on my health and wellness and fitness. So I did log into a boot camp that I used to do quite frequently, but I haven't done it as much in our new space. So I logged in and I got a really good workout in.
You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed.
While the workout was very difficult, I'm so glad I did it. You will never regret doing a workout. I felt so amazing after. So if it has been a while since you have been active and worked out, I really encourage you to do so.
I don't need anybody.
These chairs are not going to stay on the front porch, but I picked them up because they were a really good price at Target recently. I love this little cup holder, and I think these chairs will be perfect for our fire pit once we build it.
I don't know what I'd do.
My car is completely trashed, so I did my best to just get everything out of it and to wipe it down as best I could. I'm going to figure out a good angle for cleaning my car and show you soon.
You can take me high.
Next on the list was to restock on a few of our essential groceries, and I went ahead and just ordered them through Instacart to save a bit of time.
You can take me high.
Now that they have been delivered, I am going to do a quick clean of the refrigerator, a little bit in the freezer, and just put everything away.
You can take me high. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign.
And here is where the mangoes went. They never made it into the refrigerator.
I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me.
I never knew how much I will be at Lowe's after moving into this house. So we stopped at Lowe's to pick up some more mulch. We planted some bushes in front of the house, and the landscapers actually came and added a few more plants, which I took out and moved around a little bit. So after they got finished planting the plants, they put down some grass seeds and hay on top of the grass seeds so that they can, grow. The straw ended up getting all over the black mulch, and there were some gaps here because I really didn't get enough mulch to begin with. So I'm just going to freshen it up and fill in the gaps and just make it look nice.
Give me a sign. Give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. Captured in a photograph. Remember how we used to sit in the vines. Yeah.
Rewatching these clips, I'm like, girl, you all over the place. So moving on, I picked up a few new bins from Home Goods. So I'm just going to use a couple of these for the refrigerator, and then the second pack I'm going to go upstairs in the boys' bathroom and start working on their drawers and a little bit of decor in there.
If nothing would have changed, if we'd have stayed the same, never killed the flame, would we hold our ground? If nothing would have changed, would you take my name, stay here through the rain? Would we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? From another time, walls of pain that spells out your name. Yeah. You said you had to change your heart, that Albany just left you all the same. I could see enough to know you better up than sometimes it hits you when it's gone. And all night I stare into that same light, reinventing our life. I wonder where we'd be if nothing would have changed, if we'd have stayed the same.
The last thing that I need to do is get this closet somewhat decent, okay? It's not going to be a Pinterest closet when I am done by any means, but at the very least, I need these piles of clothes taken care of and these shoes reorganized. So I did pick up some hangers from Amazon. They're the thin velvet ones. So I'm just going to pick up and sort of just get things straight. I do have a dresser coming soon. So those folded clothes on that shelf are going to be put in the dresser once that comes. And that will definitely make it look a little bit nicer in here.
Seeds will die before they grow.
This space is definitely a work in progress, like so many of the other spaces in the house. So stay tuned for all of the updates. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Could we hold our ground?